So in this class, I am going to explain about the question and answer of ancient civilization of India. So take your notebook and write down very neatly. Okay. So write the heading Chapter 3 Ancient Civilizations of India. Over. Fine. So first question is complete the following sentences. Yes, first question is complete the following sentences. Yes, write down first question. The fertile lands that is near Bolan Pass. Yes, the fertile land that is near Bolan Pass. Yes, tell me answer. Yes, very good. That is Mehergarh. Yes, write down Mehrgarh. Mehergarh. Over. Stop. Next, second one. Harappa was found in the dash valley of Punjab. Yes, dash valley of Punjab. Yes, that is Sindhu valley of Punjab. Yes, here is mistakes, don't write down like that type. Okay, so Harappa was found in the Sindhu valley of Punjab. Next question, third one question is Harappan people dependent on agriculture and dash is what is another prominent occupation of Harappan people. Yes, very good, that is trade. Yes, write down trade, TRADE. Yes, Harappan people dependent on agriculture and trade. Next, fourth one, the oldest Veda is. Yes, which one? Yes, very good. Rig Veda. Okay, RIGVEDA. Rig Veda, it is the oldest Veda. Yes, among the 4 Vedas. Yes, so write down Rig Veda. Yes, there are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samveda and Atharvaveda. Among them, the oldest Veda is Rig Veda. Over. Fifth one is the priest who conducted yajnas was called as yes, dash in Rig Veda. Yes, what he known is, that is Hotur. Yes, HOTHUR. Over. Yes, the priest who conducted yajnas was called as Hotur. HOTHUR. Over. Fine. Shall we go for next question? Yes, okay. Write down second one question is there. Answer briefly. Yes, answer briefly. So first question is write on the special features of Harappa cities. Write on the special features of Harappa cities. Yes, answer. Make a point. Yes, first point is we can see 2 or more parts in the cities of Harappa. Yes, we can see 2 or more parts in the cities of Harappa. Yes, second point is Western is narrow, western is narrow, and eastern part be wide and lower. Yes, eastern part be wide and lower. Next, third one is every part had a wall made of burnt bricks. Yes, every part had a wall made of burnt bricks, comma, walls were very strong, walls were very strong, walls were very strong. Fourth one is Mohenjo-daro, Mohenjo-daro, one of the cities had a water tank or bath tank. Yes, Mohenjo-daro, one of the cities had a water tank or bath tank. Next one is fire altars have been discovered in other cities like Kalibangan and Lothal. Kalibangan and Lothal. Yes, fire altars have been discovered in other cities like Kalibangan and Lothal. Next one is systematic granaries. Yes, systematic granaries. Over. Fine. So write down next one question. Second question. Write a note on the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Yes, Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Write a note on the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Yes, answer. First point is Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro was very prominent. And next, it is built of bricks. It is built of bricks so as to prevent the seepage of water from the tank. Yes, it is built of bricks so as to prevent the seepage of water from the tank. Next one is it has steps on either sides. It has steps on either sides. It has steps on either sides. Fine. Fourth one is the water was probably supplied to the tank by a well, and the used water was let out. Or fine. Next question is third question is how was the nature of town plan during Harappa civilization? How was the nature of town plan during the Harappa civilization? First point is it was constructed in a very methodical manner. Yes, it was constructed in a very methodical manner. Yes. Next, second point is systematically laid out houses. Laid out houses. Roads can be seen here. Roads can be seen here. Third point is houses were built of bricks and had strong walls. Fourth point is the main door faced the street. Okay. Fifth one, holes were created in the drains. Holes were created in the drains. Sixth one is underground sewage system. Fine. So fourth question is name the Vedas. So write down answer. Is how many Vedas are there? There are 4 Vedas. Okay. So first Veda is Rig Veda.